Hello class. I think last week we talked about how to create a project, how to create a package, and how to create a class. And I think we print out the hello world. Today we are going to talk about variables and data type, and we are going to input variables and display whatever you like. Okay. First, in Java, anytime you want to do input, that is, you need to import a library, a Java library. That is, import java.util scanner. Sorry, R here. So import java.util.scanner, and then remember in C++ we talked about hash encode using namespace std, and we talk about it like without the hash encode using namespace std you cannot do input. The same thing applies to what Java. So Java, you have to import our scanner. So scanner input. So the input is the input that you do. Scanner input is equal to new scanner. So then we open up as our system.in. That is whatever you are going to input. System.in. You bring your what? Your sign. Okay. And as we talk about, we are going to talk about variables. We are going to talk about what? Data type. Anytime I'm talking, I say a data type and a variable is like a mother and his what? His child, or a mother and his or her children. What am I saying that? Because you can't bring a data type without a variable, and you can't bring a variable without a data type. Okay, so because you are going to do input, and a variable means that you are reserving a memory to store a particular variable there. Okay, so we are going to do what? We are going to reserve a memory in order to store something there. Okay. Okay, so we are using the data type of what? String, because we are going to input a name. So string name. So this is our name. You see, I hope I talk about by saying it's like a mother and his child, or a mother or her daughter or his son. Okay, so this is the mother, this is the son or the daughter. Okay, so system dot out, because we're going to display something. System dot out dot print ln. You bring your quotation mark, enter name. So this is the message for the user. The message for the user to enter his or her name. For the user to enter his or her name. Because I'm not going to move to the next line and delete this one, because I want them to be in the same line whenever the user is tapping. So already the variable has been declared. So our next thing is to call the variable. So name is equal to input dot next. Remember, I told you something on our last week tutorial by saying by using string you can end up by using next or next line, but I'm more interested in what? The next. Okay, so let us display something for the user whenever the user tap the name. Okay, so system dot out dot print let me bring this one, your name or welcome. Welcome. Welcome plus what? Name. So the plus here simply means you welcome what? That name. That's why you use the plus. Because without the plus, nothing will display. Or even your code will show error. You can see it from here. Okay. So plus means we are adding something to something. Okay. So let us build our code. The reason why you keep on building code means when you build, you see the errors in it, then you run our code. So you can see it from here. Enter name. So let's say Daniel. Then you press enter. You see welcome Daniel. Okay. So class. This is our second tutorial. You end from here. You continue on next time.